Okay, let's look at how to get input from the user. So let's start with getting name. So if we say name is John, okay, you can actually print it. We say print name. So we have the string value John, but this is not what we're getting from the user. So if we want to get the name John from the user, here we say input. We like to say what's your name, because I have a single quotation here. That's why I'm using double quotation. After that, if you run it, it's going to ask you what's your name here. So if I say my name is John, enter, you can actually print what's inside the name. So let me print, here's the John. Okay, this time let me go back, okay, and run it again. This time I'm going to put quotation mark for John. Okay, single quotations, enter. Here, let me run it. So this time the quotation marks appear as a string value. Okay, so this is how you get the name of the person, string value. Okay, this is what we call it as a string. The input function always returns string value. So if you say value 1, okay, input, I use a single quote, first number, then you're going to enter first value, and then second value, input, and second, okay, number. Okay, let's see what happens. So first number, I say 10, okay, enter. Second number, I will say 20, enter. So let's try to print what we have. Okay, print value. Sorry, that's the mistake. Value. Okay, value. Let me run it again. So 10, 20. Let's print value 1. Value 1. So we have a number 10. Okay. Print value 2. Okay, number 20. Okay, that seems like okay. So let's have a look. Okay, print value 1 plus value 2. Let's see what happens. So here is we are expecting number 30, but it shows us as a 10 and 20. So this is string value, okay, plus string. So it will be string value and then string value. So you can consider it's a quoted for 1020. So if you want to have the calculation, you expect to have a 30, you have to say input. If you don't say anything, it's going to be, okay, call it as a string, okay. So we need to do type conversion. We like to have an integer value, okay. We like to have integer value. We like to have integer value. Let's see. This time we are not getting string, okay. We are going to get integer. So let's say 10, enter, 20, enter. Let's see here, run it. Looks exactly the same, 10 here, 20, okay. This time it's not going to be 10, okay, concate with the 20 as a string value. It's going to calculate as an integer value 10 plus integer value 20. So we are expecting 30. Okay, that's what happens. I think that's all for this tutorial. This is how you can get the string, Okay, string value. This is how you get the integer value. Okay, so that you can do calculation. That's all. Thank you.